Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not already subscribed, please click subscribe and give the video a like if you end up liking it. This is the Centurion Tower at Caesars Atlantic City. This is the best tower in the building, and I'm on the 42nd floor. This is a 25-story building, so I'm near the top according to their numbering scheme. Let's check out the room. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. There it goes. All right. Phew. So you get a nice little tiled foyer entryway here. If you turn to the right after coming in, you get a very nice marbled countertop here. There's a TV built into the mirror, or at least there used to be. I don't know what happened to it. There's no remote for it, so I'm assuming it's broke. But yeah, there used to be TVs in the mirror here. Super cool. You get a glass walk-in shower. Have to see. Let's see how the water pressure is. I'd put it in the good but not great category. And you get a separate toilet room here. Nice picture frame. Toilet, of course. Coming back around over here, you get a single closet with double doors, and there is a safe back there as well, so that's cool. Got to know where to lock up the money when you take the casino for all they're worth. Beautiful back to the bed, I just noticed. That's really pretty. I think that light is broken, or I haven't figured out how to turn it on, one of the two, or burned out. Bed, very nicely made. You get a nightstand on both sides. Old but decent sized TV. Picture frame. Lots of drawers here with nothing in them, of course. And the refrigerator. The refrigerator is not stocked. Like some hotels, they stock them and then charge you if you take things off. They don't roll that way here at Caesars. Another little picture frame. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I am near the top of the building here. This is a 25-story building finished in 1997. So it's in good condition. They take really good care of it. It's a little bit on the older side now, I would say. The view, if this was daytime, you'd be looking right out over the ocean and the boardwalk. The window is a little on the dirty side. Old but functional temperature controls. You get your standard house phone here. And yeah, that's it, guys. That's our tour of Caesars Atlantic City Centurion Tower. This is a standard king room. And again, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you next time.